Annyeong chingudeul. Today I'm going to do an unboxing because I ordered a cordless mop cleaner through the internet. Actually, my husband bought it for me because suddenly my map was broken the other day. So we don't have a choice, and he doesn't have a choice just to order one for me. So I received it. Okay, so you see Aquajet cordless mop cleaner, so branded daewoo. Okay, this is not sponsored. Okay, so I'll show you what's inside. Before I open, I'll show you some features. So here, 14 face, and then it comes with 2 pieces rug, and then you can turn it 90 to 130 degrees, and then there is a water sprinkler. Okay, so now let's open now. Actually, I sold this to one of my neighbor, and she advised me to buy, and she said it's very convenient and very helpful to her, especially she had kids. It's not difficult for her to clean now because she have this. This is the handle. These are the rods. And this is the mat. So I have to assemble this. So it includes charger, manual, okay, I'll read the manual. It already had rugs, so these two are spare rugs. Okay, so first we have to connect this wire with the handle. It was sealed. I need scissors. Okay, so I'm connecting the wires now. You see this. Okay, connected now. And then you have to put this one inside. Okay, so it fits. And then the other one as well here. So you have to put inside the hole. This one you have to press so it will match. Okay, it's done. So you can pull this to make it longer, and then to lock this. Okay. So, and you can put water here. Water. So I will try this today. I'll put water first. Let's try to put water. So remove the cover, and it comes with this one, a small container. So I will put water now. Okay, I already put water. And you can see here, switch on, and this one sprinkler. So let's try. I will mop our bedroom and living room. So see, I will turn it on. And then I will use sprinkler. So you see, it sprays water. See the water? 신기하네. Try this one here. Even the corner and the edges can be reached. This one looks good, and it's rotating 90 to 130 degrees. So if you're done cleaning, mopping, you can just remove the rug like this. So you just clean this too. And then if you think you need more battery, you can recharge it. So you see the hole behind, so you just put it like this and then you plug it in a socket. So you just have to plug this. When charging, you can see the red light, and you can lower the handle like this. So I hope you like this video. So please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, please press the bell button so you can receive notifications if I upload my new videos. Annyeong, chingudeul. Good night.